So an environmental consultant and a lawyer walk into a bar. And that's what Rep. Cassell and I have done quite a bit of time on this. And the reality is that associated with this particular bill, you can sue. Rep. Cassell, you can sue. I don't care anybody else on here. You can sue your boat industry. You can sue about negligence. If somebody does something outside of the four corners of their permit and they are doing something negligent, sue all day long on negligence. Absolutely. In fact, many of the cases that were cited and brought up in cancer clusters, et cetera, they were sued on negligence. Representative Buchanan, you and I had conversations about PFAS. Sue on negligence. Absolutely. And I think it will be shown, especially even in the City of Stewart case. There was negligence there from the overarching company. You know, Representative Gottlieb, you talked about 40 plus years of of court cases, but it's actually 40 plus years of legislative intent. When this was originally brought forward, the definition, including all living things except human beings, is exactly what we've gone off of until the Supreme Court decided to utilize Webster's Dictionary and Black's Law to define what all damages was. They did not adhere to what the legislative intent was. This entire section covers natural resources. If you look at even 376.121, which is a subsection of this overall chapter, I've highlighted natural resources over and over. I'm sorry, I'm not supposed to use props. Natural resources is over and over and over again highlighted here. Natural resources, natural resources, natural resources. This does not specifically adhere for strict liability to personal injury. Over and over again, we have natural resources. That's what this is about. And this is about protecting natural resources and also making sure that individuals, businesses, landowners go and get permits, that they feel comfortable, that they want to make the investment to make sure that they're cleaning up the land. 376 was really brought forward in the specific area that we're talking about, 376.30 to 317. First was cattle dipping vats. Anybody remember that? Petroleum, dry cleaning, brownfields. What if we never cleaned those up? What if you never did the investment associated with that to clean it up because you're afraid that you're going to get hit with personal injury causes? That's what we're really about here today, is going back to the definition of what the legislative intent was. All living things except human beings. Your natural resources.